Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
At the supermarket. Do you have any fresh bread? Yes, in the bakery. Where can I find the milk? It's next to the eggs. How much is this? It's $2.50. Can I pay with a card? Yes, we accept credit cards. I'm just looking, thank you. Let me know if you need help. Is this on sale? Yes, it's 20% off today. Are there any shopping carts? Yes, they're near the entrance. Excuse me, the line is over there. Oh, I didn't see it. Can I get a bag, please? Sure, paper or plastic. I think this item is expired. Thank you. I'll take care of it right away. More practice. Say the sentences yourself and speak out loud. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. Plus there are many other worksheets and flashcards to help you with your English. Okay, so I appreciate that. Please check out my Patreon page, support me there so I can support you here.
Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.